Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Bellagio, Las Vegas. Recording September 14th. This is the new installation of the Bellagio Conservatory. This is the fall display. You can see many pumpkins and other themes throughout here. Some cattails, mushrooms in the back, butterflies and leaves hanging from the ceiling. Here's what looks to be a mushroom smokestack with a type of chimney at the top and a gazebo in the center made from this pumpkin type art. This is brand new. When I looked yesterday on the website, it wasn't even updated to reflect the new display. So lots to see here at Bellagio. They change this every few months. We have an owl straight ahead. You can get close and see the details. They do a really good job with this art, these displays, these structures, statues, and more. A pumpkin with an opening door. You can see the hinges on the side. A wise owl motif or theme here. Two fountains on the side, a waterfall in the center. Lots of detail within this pumpkin. Coming back around, you can see the gazebo in the center. Lots of people walking through for sure. People posing, taking their photographs, some videos, I'm sure. Cat straight ahead, you can see a type of light with the pumpkins at the top of it, some at the bottom. Another owl up top with a waterfall coming from what looks to be a birdhouse and the Bellagio sign or logo. See some sort of fall spirit. See the horns coming out of its head, the moss coming down, and the foot has some kind of human likenesses. In the back, another pumpkin place, or maybe gourd or some other fall type item, and more of the butterflies and leaves at the top. Come around for a different angle, you can see the gazebo with north and south at the top. Others posing. Coming around, getting closer to the mushrooms and the flowers. Looks like a frog king or prince right ahead with the crown on top and the white spots on the back. Some flowers in the background. You see the mushrooms in the back, and flowers towards the center, and a glance at the backside of the frog. See what looks to be a mushroom house in the center. Maybe stained glass with a butterfly display. And as usual, there's the LED signage at the back explaining or showing the display. Really cool here at Bellagio, Las Vegas. This is the conservatory. It is a free display. You can simply walk through. Lots to see and do in Las Vegas, including this conservatory display that changes every few months. Once again, this is September 2025. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.